If you are thinking of starting a money lending business, or you are already carrying out a money lending business, but you seem not to be profitable and things are just getting very clumsy, then you need to listen to this video. The thing is, the reason you started that business in the first place, or the reason you want to start the business of money lending, is because there is money in it. As the word implies, money lending, money is involved. One thing is sure, money may not solve all the problems in the world, but money sure rules the world. And 99% of the things that you need to do, or anybody needs to do, has to be done with money. So if you are thinking of venturing into a money lending business, or you have already started, you are actually on the right track. However, if you not ensure that certain things are done, certain structures are put in place, I can categorically tell you that you will fail even before you start. Hi, my name is Precious Toju, aka the Structure Lady. I am a business recovery lawyer and credit analyst. And on this episode of Business and Legal Structure, I'm going to be discussing 5 things to consider before you start a money lending business. Number 1, the category of the money lending business. What exactly do I mean? Before you start a money lending business, you have to ask yourself, what category of money lending do you want to go into? For starters, we have 3 major categories or classes of money lending. The first one is called secured and unsecured loan. The second one is called conventional loan. And the third one is called closed-end or open-end loan. Now, as a prospect money lender, or somebody that is already into the business of money lending, the question now is, what category of money lending are you actually running? Or what category of money lending do you want to venture into? Do you want to give out loan secured or unsecured? Do you want to give out loan conventionally? Or you're going to run a kind of closed-end or open-end money lending? The choice is yours to make. But before you start, the bottom line is you must understand the category of money lending that exists in the finance world, and this will help you to make an informed decision. Number 2, the type of money lending business that you want to venture into. There are different types of money lending business, but I'm going to talk about the 4 major types of money lending business. So as a prospect money lender, or somebody that is already into the business of money lending, the question you should ask yourself is, what type of money lending do I want to venture into? What type of money lending business do I want to start or continue with? For example, we have what is called personal loan. We have what is called auto loans. We have what is called home equity loans. We have what is called student loan, among all the 10 types of money lending that we have. The main question you should ask yourself is, which of this type of money lending business do I want to carry out as a prospect money lender? The third thing you should put into consideration before you start a money lending business is, what size of money lending business do you want to start? Are you looking at a small money lending business, a micro money lending business, a medium money lending business, or a large scale money lending business? Do you want to run this money lending as a private money lender, or you want to run it as a business money lending, or as an institutional money lending house? All of these are the things you should put into consideration. You should analyze, you should break down and understand before you venture into the business of money lending. The fourth thing you should put into consideration before you start the business of money lending is, what type of legal structure do I want to give to this my money lending business? By the time you are able to determine the category, the type, the size of the money lending business you want to start or venture into, that will inform you on the type of legal structure that you want to put in place. Because there are different legal structure for different type of businesses, and it all depends on the size, the type, and the category that you're looking at. what will be required for an institutional money lending company may not be the same thing that is required of a micro or a small money lender. So what type of legal structure do you want to give to your money lending business is what you need to put into consideration. And of course, you will need the help of a business lawyer who is versatile in credit analysis, credit management, debt recovery, money lending and finance to guide you through this decision. The fifth thing, which is not actually the last, that you should consider before you venture into a money lending business is your target market. Very important. First thing first, you have to even do a research. What type of people, or what kind of people, or what group of people do you want to give money to? Do you want to give to students? Do you want to give to employees? Do you want to give to market women? And even your market women has to be streamlined, because there are different type of market women. Do you want to give to market women that sell clothes, are into fashion, or into groceries, or into food stuff? Who are you concentrating on? Because even the institutional money lenders, the big banks, the mortgage bank, will not just give loan to anybody. They have a particular set of people that they give loan to. So do you want to start a small or a micro or a medium money lending business? The fifth thing out of the 10 things that you must put into consideration is your target market. Who exactly do you want to serve in this business of money lending? Do you want to start a money lending business? Grab my book on A to Z of the business of money lending. You can also book a private section with me for further clarity. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so ASAP. I pride myself as the queen of debt recovery in Africa. It will be my pleasure to work with you. The most interesting part of it is that once you grab a copy of this book, you will be opportune to join my community of creditors who are either finance companies, finance providers, or money lenders. Grab a copy of the A to Z of the business of money lending, and I will see you on the inside. Bye.